Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. My name's Adam with Genius Phone Repair, and I'm here to give you your stay safe, stay connected COVID-19 update. Genius Phone Repair continues to support those on the front lines, our customers, and our clients through this COVID-19 crisis. We continue to adjust our operations to the changing COVID-19 conditions. We have introduced a brand new mail-in and drop-off portal at www.genius212.com. It can also be accessed at geniusphonerepair.com. At Genius, staying connected has never been more important as we move through this week 4 of stay home, stay safe, social distancing, and hand washing. Genius continues to disinfect devices at check-in and check-out. We strongly advise daily disinfecting of our devices at home and/or work. We have posted a disinfecting process on our website and social media. At this time, we continue to offer personal and business device repairs. At Genius, we fix not only phones, but laptops, computers, gaming consoles, tablets, Samsungs, the whole 9 yards. So if you need to get something repaired, come in, let's get it on the schedule. And not to mention, we also have completely refurbished phones if you are looking to upgrade. Please give us a call at any of our store locations. If you have any questions, go to genius212.com to mail in or drop off a repair. If you're a medical professional or first responder, let our team know. You'll be given a 10% off discount and move to the front of the queue. Thank you for all you guys do, and everyone stay safe. Thank you.